Hey mango lovers, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to share with you all today a simple and absolutely delicious recipe that's a true tropical delight, mango khati meethi, also known as a longi. Have you ever tried it? Comment below. If you love mangoes as much as I do, then you are definitely going to want to stick all around for this one, and you will lick your hand after preparing this mango khati meethi. First of all, wash the mango and cut it up to drop down its all the milk that are injurious to our hands. Wash it properly and peel all its skins. Today I am diving into the tropical world of mangoes, and not just any mango. Oh no, we are talking about the legendary Khatimithi-aka longi. Have you tried ever a Khatimithi before? Share how it tastes. It is so easy, even your cat could probably do it. Mango Khatimithi is one of the favorite dishes of mango of mine. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and watch full video to get flavorful khati meethi. Cut the mango slices from the sides and chop it in small pieces, as the small pieces get the most chance to get flavorful flavors of salt, spices and sugars. Cut it safely, as the mango are so hard and it will lead to cut your fingers or hand, so be careful while cutting the raw mangoes, and chop it in small pieces, as the small pieces get the chances to be flavored by the spices, salt and the sweet. I'm desperately waiting when I will cook it and lick with my finger. Mango khati meethi are all time my favorite. What about yours? If you haven't tried it yet, please try it once. And the raw mangoes. Add a oil and add a cumin, black pepper, black cumin and a few rice seeds and dried red chili, and then add chopped mangoes and saute it with adding a half tablespoon of salt, few turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Salt will help to reduce all the mangoes water and cook it properly. Cover it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes it will look like this. Instead of sugar, I use a Jaggery. It is little bit healthier, but you can also add sugar. So amount of sugar to be added is half the size of the mangoes, as the mangoes are sour in taste, so you have to add sugar to balance the taste of the khati meethi. And add a water, let it boil and let the jaggery to melt down. And all you have to cook this in a medium flame for 5 minutes, and all it smells like a paradise here. If the paradise has a food court, this will be on the menu. Almost the mango khati meethi is ready and it's for you. If you haven't tried it, please try it. This is simple and easy mango khati meethi, a game changer. Come and join me. I'm going to try it, this flavorful mango khati meethi. If you like it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.